Welcome to my basement. All right, we're gonna build something, and this time it's going to be a Lego Technic, whatever, kit number 42004, ages 8 through 14. There's 246 pieces, and it's a mini backhoe loader. That's pretty cool, right? I had this in my stash. It's never been opened, and I thought, well, why not? It's a 2-in-1 kit. We'll do a build on it, but we're gonna time lapse the build. So let me reposition the camera and let's get to it. Yeah.
To start with, we're going to open the box up and check out the inside of the box and see how it's packaged, okay? And you can see it is sealed, and it is sealed with tape. Here's the back art, by the way. So you can see you can do what looks like a traditional loader, and then there's one here that's got a side cab to it. All right. Never did a Lego kit on film before, so this ought to be fun. Here's the instruction booklet. Some tires, more tires. Here, let's go ahead and get this stuff spread out and out of the way. Another booklet, must be for the other build. Okay. Bag full of parts, the bucket, got 4 tires, and there's a sub bag in there. Let's open that up too. Lots of little pieces. So I'm thinking, why not? Let's put the wheels out here. Let's go ahead and segregate parts. In fact, let's just go ahead and get the time lapse going now while I'm thinking about it. All right, that completely satiated the child in me. This thing is cool as hell, man. Yeah, it has all the pivot points. You know, you can use it up here. It's dialed in. You have a dial here for the bucket. Okay, another pivot point there. Excuse me. You can see where it's going up and down. Okay, curl in the bucket. Very cool. All right. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.